Hello everyone, this is Shumana Sarkar from Birla Vidyaniketan. We are going to discuss about the topic climate in this podcast, which is chapter 4 of Geography, class 9. We all know that climate is a very important aspect of human lives. Changes in climate can affect food production, water availability, wildlife and human health. Weather conditions such as storms can damage infrastructure like roads, rail networks, and buildings. We also know that climate can also change because of the change in the weather pattern. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about what is the difference between weather and climate, which factors control the climate. We are going to talk about India's climate in particular. We will discuss about certain weather phenomena such as pressure and surface winds, western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones, the jet streams, and the most important aspect of India's climate, that is the monsoon. I will also give you the brief characteristics of the 4 weather seasons in India. So let's begin. You might use the two terms weather and climate in the same context, but the meanings are slightly different. So what is the difference between weather and climate? So weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. So it is momentary. Like the weather in the morning and the weather in the evening may not be the same. It can be rain in the morning and warm in the afternoon. Now, climate is the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. For example, when I say the weather condition in Delhi is very hot during the months of May, June and very cold during December, January, I am referring to the climate of Delhi in summer and winter seasons respectively. Now, what are the elements of weather and climate of a place? They are temperature, atmospheric pressure, winds, humidity, and precipitation. The climate of India is described as the monsoon type. The word monsoon has come from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. We know that India is an agrarian country, that is, its economy is based upon agriculture. And the agriculture of India primarily depends upon the monsoon winds. So now you know why is the climate of India is described as the monsoon type. This type of climate is found mainly in South and Southeast Asia. So let us briefly talk about the two important elements of weather and climate, temperature and precipitation, that is rain, snow, sleet and hail. Let me give you an example of how temperature and precipitation varies from place to place and time to time. Like Rajasthan might experiences a temperature like 50 degrees Celsius in summer, whereas it may be around 20 degrees Celsius in Srinagar, Kashmir. Do you know that Dras in Kashmir is the coldest place in India with a temperature around minus 45 degrees centigrade in the winter? We also need to understand the precipitation element. While precipitation is mostly in terms of snowfall in the Himalayan regions, it rains over the rest of the country. The annual precipitation varies from over 400 centimeters in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Most part of the country receives rainfall from June to September, but the coast of Tamil Nadu gets a large portion of its rain during October and November. In general, coastal areas experience less variation in temperature conditions because they are nearer to the sea, and they are there are places like Delhi, which is in the interior part of the country, experiences the seasonal contrasts more precisely. And because of these variations, there are varieties in the lives of the people in terms of food they eat, the clothes they wear, and the kind of houses they live in. So, students, I guess that's it for this podcast. See you in the episode 2 of Climate. Bye bye, children.